Welcome back to the channel. I just want to bring to you what's going on with the latest update in tariffs. And with 200% tariffs on the table, you think the market will be crashing. But unfortunately, the market is still holding up to its name. NASDAQ has been doing tremendously well holding up. But let's see tomorrow if NASDAQ can continue even when the president announced today that the tariffs are in and no later than August 1st deadline. So the deadline has been shifted from tomorrow to the 1st of August, which we anticipated that the president will put in another later duration for the tariffs. And as said, that was done. That was just my prediction that I was predicting that the president would have extended the timeline for the tariffs. But other than that, let's get into what can bring the market down tomorrow and why we see Nasdaq pulling down from all-time highs. So tomorrow, Jerome Powell will be meeting at 2 p.m. as we can see right here to discuss um, the F the FOMC minutes tomorrow, and then Thursday morning we're looking at initial claim and continuous claim. So these two can drastically drop the stock market. Why? Because again, no interest rate cut is coming anytime soon with over 200% tariffs on the table, and a lot of country got hit with 25% tariffs starting August 1st. He said yes. So with that said, you can see that 10-year Treasury yield already went to the moon. And with 10-year Treasury yield up, what normally happened with Nasdaq? Nasdaq tends to pull back. So that's something that we're looking forward to for Nasdaq pulling back tomorrow. We can see that 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.41, and we're trading lower than that, which is we're trading at 4.32 or 4.29, and we're back at almost all-time highs with 10-year Treasury yield as the president threatened 200% tariffs and 50% on some other countries and 25% respectively. So these are what's going on in the market. But there's one stock that no matter what's going on, what Donald Trump is doing, this stock is still striving. And I just want to bring it to you because I definitely stock moving towards 21, $22 a share. And it is nothing other than so far. You can see that 52-week high closed today bullish. Strength is 100% positive going forward with SoFi. And let's just look at some of the technical aspect of SoFi. We can see that on a 1 year, SoFi is at all-time high, almost at all-time high, but 1 year highs, the highest we have seen. And the day range was 1966 to 2089, and 52-week high we just made it today, which is $20.89. A few months ago this stock was trading literally at $8 a share. And what has caused SoFi to be up today on a rough day like this in the market is that with the big beautiful bill that the president put into law, what's going to happen is that most of the student loan are limited to medical students to getting like I think 100,000 comparing to the lifespan of their studies. And now SoFi is going to be benefiting from most of those loans that's going to be endorsed coming soon. And you can see that SoFi earnings has been tremendously great. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 earnings has been positive. They keep on going higher. So the next earnings would be, I think it's the 29th of this month. Their next earnings is coming out. Yep, July 29th. So estimated at 6 cents. So let's see if we go 0.06 cents coming on the 29th of this month, which is the end of the month. So that's something that we're looking forward to. If we do beat like they normally does, SoFi normally go on the reverse side. But if market does pull back, I strongly recommend pouring a lot of money into SoFi and hold this stock, because months from now, again, if you had bought this 2 months ago, you would have got it for $8 a share. So just imagine you had $50,000 and you put that $50,000 on SoFi 2 months ago, you would have been benefiting tremendously. at least $100,000 on your investment right now. So it's something that you need to do your due diligence at all time and look into. But as the market pulled back, I definitely recommend SoFi because I already bought 6,000 shares at $8 a share and holding on to those shares until the market say hold on anymore. But for the year, the stock is up over 207 percent, which is highly high. And for the last 1 month, 42, last 1 week, 10%. The numbers are here. I don't need to sell you something. I'm just here to guide you in regards to a good stock to buy, a good company out there that's doing tremendously well. So this is one of the most highly recommended stock for me right now that I'm not even watching, but I'm bringing to you and letting you know that this stock is worth more than buying. So for now, where news is concerned, again, just the FOMC minutes tomorrow, and then initial claim and continuous claim Thursday, and that's all where news is concerned, unless the president go ahead and announce anything else that can bring tremendously hurtful news to the market and cause the market to pull back, as we can see that Nasdaq is so bullish that it's still up. I don't know how, but Nasdaq is still up, still rocking in the green, even though the president already announced that he will be going ahead and increasing to 200% tariffs on some of these country and pharmaceutical products. But for now, that's all I have. All I ask is for you to just hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and let's grow this channel together. Until then, if there's anything else you want to know, just let me know in the comments, and I will definitely update you in regards. But hit like and subscribe and stay tuned until then.